Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's become essential for every driver, the dash cam. We found this handy device online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this dash cam? This sleek and compact device is designed to record your driving experience, capturing both the front and rear views of your journey. With a 32 GB memory card included, you'll have ample storage to document your travels or any unforeseen incidents on the road. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its impressive wide-angle capability. With a 175 degrees front and a 160 degrees rear view, it provides an extensive field of vision, ensuring you don't miss any important details, whether it's a scenic route or a potential hazard. Additionally, the night vision feature enhances visibility in low-light conditions, allowing you to capture clear footage even during nighttime drives. This is crucial for those late-night trips or early morning commutes. The dashcam also boasts loop recording, which means that once the memory card is full, it will automatically overwrite the oldest footage with new recordings. This ensures that you always have the most recent data on hand without the need to constantly manage your storage. Now, who is this dashcam suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road, commuters, rideshare drivers, or even road trip enthusiasts. If you're a parent, having a dash cam can provide peace of mind as you transport your kids. And for those who want to protect themselves against false claims or accidents, having video evidence can be invaluable. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're involved in an accident. Having clear footage from both angles can serve as crucial evidence for insurance claims. Or perhaps you're driving through a beautiful landscape. The wide-angle feature allows you to capture stunning views to share with friends and family. Even in the unfortunate event of vandalism or theft, a dash cam can provide clear footage to help track down the culprit. In summary, this dash cam is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their driving safety and experience. With its wide-angle lenses, night vision capabilities, and loop recording feature, it offers everything you need to document your journeys effectively. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.